Good day, dear coin collectors. Looking for rare coins that can make you extra money? Here's a list of several US coins that can fetch strong premiums at auctions. This is 1972 Lincoln cent with double die Obverse. Graded in mint state 66 brown by PCGS, the 1972 Lincoln cent with a double die Obverse is one of the most sought after varieties in Lincoln cent series. This variety features a prominent doubling on the Obverse, most notably on inscriptions Liberty, In God We Trust, and the date 1972. The doubling is easily visible to the naked eye, making it a favorite among collectors and notable example of a striking error from Philadelphia Mint. This coin, graded mint state 66 brown by PCGS, indicates a high-grade specimen with superior surface preservation and eye appeal, while the brown designation means the original red luster has faded due to oxidation. The coin still retains a pleasing patina and luster consistent with its grade. The doubling adds significant value to the coin, and in MS66 brown, it is considered a rare find. Such examples are highly coveted by both rare collectors and enthusiasts of Lincoln cents. This one was sold for $576 at Heritage auctions. The 1914D Lincoln cent is a key date in this series, with a low mintage of over 1.1 million coins, making it highly sought after by collectors. Struck at the Denver Mint, this cent is often pursued as a part of completing a full Lincoln cent collection. The example in question is certified as PCGS genuine with AU details, meaning it has sharpness and wear consistent with an about uncirculated grade, but has been designated as having environmental damage. This could include surface issues such as corrosion, pitting, or discoloration caused by exposure to elements over the time. Despite the damage, the coin retains its historical and numismatic value. In this condition, it appeals to collectors who prioritize rarity and detail over perfect preservation, offering an opportunity to own a key-date Lincoln cent at more accessible price point compared to problem-free examples like red ones. This specimen was sold for $780. The 1963D Lincoln cent, graded by PCGS MS66 Plus Red, is a premium quality coin exhibiting exceptional luster, sharp details, and vibrant red color that is nearly flawless. The MS66 Plus grade indicates that the coin is in near perfect mint state, with only the slightest imperfections visible under magnification, if any. The red designation signifies that the coin retains at least 95% of its original mint red color, making it highly attractive and valuable to collectors. This particular coin was struck at the Denver Mint, and the 66 Plus grade suggests that it is at the higher end of the MS66 range, showing attributes closer to an MS67. Due to its high quality preservation, this 1963D Lincoln cent will appeal to advanced collectors who prioritize condition and eye appeal in their collections. It was sold for $1,575 with buyer's fee at GreatCollections auction. The 2003D Illinois State Quarter, graded as MS68 by PCGS, is considered a rare and desirable coin among collectors, particularly in this high grade. Struck at Denver Mint, this quarter is a part of State Quarter series that celebrated each US state with unique reverse designs. The Illinois design features an image of Abraham Lincoln, a farm scene, and the Chicago skyline, symbolizing the state's diverse heritage and historical significance as Lincoln's home state. In mint state 68, this coin exhibits exceptional quality with sharp details and flawless strike, and also pristine surfaces free from noticeable marks or imperfections. This gem was recently sold for $900 at GreatCollections auction. This is 1940 Washington Quarter, the proof issue, graded as PR68 by PCGS. Virtually brilliant, essentially pristine survivor from mintage of 11,246 proofs that would fit comfortably into even the finest cabinet. Just a hint of natural patina is noted on each side, otherwise bright and sharp. It was sold for $2,160 at Stack's Bowers auction. Here is 1939 Jefferson Nickel with double die reverse, graded in mint state 64 by PCGS. This variety is known for its dramatic doubling on the reverse, most notably in the inscriptions Monticello $1.05. The doubling is visible to the naked eye or under magnification, making it one of more easily identifiable and popular double die varieties in Jefferson Nickels series. Graded mint state 64, this coin displays strong luster and sharp details, although it may exhibit minor contact marks or subtle imperfections under close inspection. Coins of this grade remain highly collectible, balancing quality with relative affordability compared to higher grade examples. This variety is particularly desirable because double die errors from the earlier years of the Jefferson Nickels series are rarer and often carry historical intrigue. Its designation as FS801 in the Cherry Picker's Guide further enhances its appeal, as the system is well known for cataloging the most significant die varieties. This gem was sold for $771.75 with buyer's fee. Here is 2021 the Tuskegee Airmen National Park Quarter from America's Beautiful Quarter series, graded MS69 by NGC. It commemorates the Tuskegee Airmen, the pioneering African-American aviators who served with distinction during the World War II. In MS69 condition, this coin is nearly perfect, exhibiting sharp details, full luster, and minimal, if any, noticeable flaws. Achieving such a high grade is rare for coins intended for general circulation, making this a prized piece for collectors. Its historical significance being the last quarter of the popular series and its tribute to the Tuskegee Airmen further enhances its appeal. It ended up selling for $119.25 with buyer's fee. Here is 1950D Jefferson Nickel in mint state 67 with full steps. It's highly sought after coin in the Jefferson Nickels series, especially in this combination of high grade, full steps designation and attractive toning. Coins with the full steps are particularly prized as they signify that the steps of Monticello on the reverse are fully struck and display at least 5 distinct unbroken lines. This level of detail is challenging to find due to the minting process, making FS examples rare and highly collectible. In MS67, this 1950D nickel is considered a top quality specimen with virtually flawless surfaces, vibrant luster, and sharp details. The added element of toning, natural color variations that occur over time due to the coin's reaction to its environment, enhances its visual appeal. Toning can vary widely, with hues of gold, blue, or other colors, adding uniqueness and aesthetic value to each coin. It was sold for $386.88 on November 17, 2024 at GreatCollections auction. And this is 1950 Washington Quarter with rare Over-Mintmark error, the S over D, graded in mint state 67 plus by PCGS and later proven by CAC. This variety is distinguished by its Over-Mintmark, where the original S mint mark was punched over D mint mark, standing for Denver. The over-punched mint mark is clearly visible under magnification, making it distinctive and recognized variety catalogued in the Cherry Picker's Guide as FS601. Such repunched mint marks are relics of the hand-punching era of some mint mark application, adding historical and numismatic intrigue. At an MS67 Plus grade, this coin boasts near-perfect quality with razor-sharp details, brilliant luster, and only microscopic imperfections visible under magnification. The Plus designation indicates the coin is at high end of MS67 grade, bordering on MS68 quality. It was sold for $7,800 at Stack's Bowers auction. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these rare coins, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more numismatic treasures like this. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. God's willing, see you in the next video.